In this unit, we will discuss electric current. Electric current is rate of change of charge measured in ampere. 1 ampere is the amount of current that exists when a number of electrons having total charge of 1 coulomb move through a given cross-sectional area in 1 second. We can see in this picture the motion of electrons. So if 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons, which carry charge of 1 coulomb, passes through this cross-sectional area every second, then the magnitude of current is 1 ampere. Mathematically, current is given as I is equal to dq over dt. It means current is time derivative of charge. From this equation, we can also calculate charge. If we integrate on both sides, we get charge present at any moment is equal to time integral of current plus the charge present in the beginning. Symbolically, capital letter I represent constant values of current and small letter I represent instantaneous values of current. Electronic current. In this simulation, you can see the flow of electrons. So electrons flow from negative terminal of the supply towards the positive terminal. This flow of electrons is considered to be electronic current. Conventional current. The directional flow of conventional current is opposite to the directional flow of electronic current, and it is from positive terminal of the supply towards the negative terminal. In electric circuit analysis, the direction of flow of current is considered to be conventional. Now we know about the relationship between current and charge, we can do a small quiz. If 60 coulombs of charge pass through an electric conductor in 30 seconds, determine the current in the conductor. Now we have 4 choices of answer. A, it's 1800 milliampere. B, it's 2 ampere. C is 30 milliampere. Or D, it's 60 ampere. Here I will pause for a while so you can do your calculation and select the correct answer. I hope you have done your calculation, so here is the answer. Current I is equal to rate of change of charge. So 60 coulombs divided by 30 seconds is 2 ampere. So our right answer is 2 ampere, which is B in this case. So in this unit we have discussed the relationship of current and charge,